What if losing money is the best thing that ever happened to you? Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you some of the most financially independent people today, those with million-dollar portfolios and zero debt, got there not because they always made the right moves, but because they first made the wrong ones. Early, painfully, a bad investment, a failed side hustle, a credit card disaster. Losing money early can teach you more than any MBA ever will. In fact, it could be your fastest shortcut to long-term wealth. So if you've ever felt stupid, broke, or ashamed for losing money, don't click away. Because by the end of this video, you'll realize it wasn't a failure. It was your financial foundation in disguise. If you're passionate about success and ready to take action, hit that subscribe button. We're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Let's break it down. Benefit number 1. You learn that money is not a guarantee. It's a responsibility. Jason from New York, 24. First job, first paycheck. He's feeling on top of the world. 3 months in, $8,000 in credit card debt. Why? Because no one told him that just because you have money doesn't mean you're ready to handle money. 61% of Gen Z regret not learning money skills earlier. We live in an era of access, not wisdom. Losing money early teaches you. Money doesn't care about potential. It respects only discipline. View every dollar as a soldier, tasked with building your empire, not your image. Ever looked at your account and wondered, where did all my money go? Losing $1,000 young teaches you what $100,000 never will. Many times, financial awareness comes through financial pain. Number 2, it forces you to eat humble pie before life slaps you harder. Look around. How many people buy a car the moment they get their first paycheck, only to drown in a $700 per month car payment with 12% APR? Why? Because they want to look successful before actually becoming successful. That fake confidence becomes their downfall. Detox your financial ego. Ask yourself, would I still buy this if no one saw it? Most won't. Instead of buying a $1,200 iPhone every year, take that money and buy a high-dividend ETF. In 10 years, that grows to over $20,000 with reinvested dividends. Learn from people who figured it out early. Like a woman named Erica who lost $18,000 at 22 in a dropshipping scam. Crushed but not broken, she started freelancing, built a 6-figure design agency in 3 years, and now speaks at finance podcasts on how losing money taught her more than earning it ever did. People who never lose early often become arrogant with success, but those who get punched in the face financially while they're still young build quiet confidence that compounds like interest in a Roth IRA, slow, steady, and unbeatable over time. But what if I told you losing money can actually strengthen your decision-making muscle? Let's talk psychology. Number 3, it trains your mind before it touches your wallet. Losing money early doesn't just hurt your bank account. It rewires your brain. You start understanding the emotions behind every swipe, every trade, every impulse buy. That's called financial emotional intelligence, and it's the reason the rich stay rich while others chase dopamine hits, disguised as rewards points. Most people don't fail financially because of lack of knowledge. They fail because they don't know how to manage their emotions around money. Think about it. Why do people spend $300 on a weekend trip they can't afford, or invest $5,000 in a meme stock after one TikTok video? Because emotion overrides logic. The fix: start tracking how your emotions trigger your spending. When you feel stressed, do you spend or save? When you feel excited, do you invest or overspend? Build a 48-hour rule for any major purchase. Wait, think, then act. Shift from emotional to intentional. Financial literacy tells you what to do. Financial emotional intelligence tells you when and why to do it. Number 4, you build money resilience the hard way. Antonio lost $3,200 on an Amazon FBA venture. Products stuck in warehouse. No returns, no help, just shame. But instead of quitting, he studied supply chains, negotiated with sellers, and relaunched profitably. Losing money forces you to develop resilience, not just reactions. And that grit builds true financial strength. Use each setback as raw data. Ask, what did I not know before I lost this money? Do you quit or learn when money disappears? Early loss is your crash test. Pass it, and the future gets easier. But how does this loss actually shape your future goals? That's our next point. You set better financial goals. When anyone loses money early, something strange happens. They stop setting delusional goals like, I want to be a millionaire by 25, and start setting goals like, I want to build $1,000 per month in passive income by next year. That's the difference between fantasy and financial clarity. Most people confuse goals with wishes. They say things like, I want financial freedom, but have zero idea what that looks like, how much it costs, or how to get there. Losing money early acts like a reset button. It slaps away the fluff and forces you to quantify your goals, not just romanticize them. Start using what's called the FIRE number, financial independence, retiree early. It's simple. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. That's your target. Now break that into milestones. Want to hit $500,000? Start with a 5-year plan to reach $100K through ETFs, REITs, and side hustles. Losing money makes your goals go from someday to step by step, and that's where the magic begins. And guess what? Losing money can actually help you build stronger networks. Number 6, you find out who's really in your corner. After losing $9,000 in a failed app startup, Jamal's friend group vanished. But one person stayed, mentored him, and became his co-founder in a now thriving business. Money attracts attention, but losing it reveals intention. When you're up, the crowd's loud. But lose $10,000 and suddenly, those ride-or-die friends vanished. Early financial losses act like a magnet for truth. They pull the real ones closer and push the fake ones out. And that's a blessing in disguise. When you're struggling, notice who checks in, who offers help without being asked, and who vanishes. Don't chase support, record it. Build your inner circle with people who don't care if you drive a Honda or a Tesla, as long as your vision is still alive. When you're rich, everyone's your fan. But when you're broke, only the real ones become your team. That team, if you build it right, is worth more than any portfolio. Number 7, it destroys your short-term mindset. Losing money early is like being jolted awake from a financial daydream. When that first $5,000 vanishes, whether through bad investments, failed side hustles, or reckless spending, it shatters the illusion of overnight success and forces you to face the real enemy. Short-term thinking. Fast money builds ego. Slow money builds empires. A short-term thinker wants $10K fast. A long-term thinker builds a system that prints $10K every year, passively, for life. That's the power of thinking beyond today. Number 8, you become emotionally immune to future financial storms. Most people live in fear of losing money, so they never take smart risks. That fear leads to inaction, overthinking, and financial paralysis. But when you've already seen your bank account hit $0 and come back stronger, you develop what psychologists call emotional anti-fragility. You don't just bounce back, you bounce forward. You stay calm when others are freaking out, and that emotional control is what separates the wealthy from the wishful. Want to train this mental muscle? Start exposing yourself to controlled financial discomfort. Set a tight budget and stick to it. Pull back from lifestyle inflation. Practice mini losses by temporarily giving up luxuries to see what truly matters. In a world addicted to instant gratification, emotional immunity is the new superpower. It lets you play long-term games while others fold under short-term pressure. Losing money early builds a financial callus. You feel the pressure, but it no longer breaks you. You didn't lose money. You bought experience, resilience, wisdom. And trust me, that investment will pay you back with compound interest for the rest of your life. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. If this video resonated with you, hit like, subscribe for more wisdom, and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next one. Until then, stay hungry, stay humble, stay wealthy,